What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 2-minute warm-up. Alright, this is a low impact warm-up. No jumping is required. Alright, we are going to be on the ground, so if you want to grab a mat, you may do so. Alright, nice and easy. We just want to warm that body up. We're going to come right down into a high plank, but we're going to add in a spider lunge here, okay? So it's going to stretch out those legs, stepping one foot out, outside of those hands, other side. Alright, nice and easy. Again, your foot does not have to go as far up towards your hand if you're not that flexible. Just nice and easy. You want that foot nice and flat on the ground, okay? As if you're stepping on that bug. Alright, nice and easy. Stretching out the legs. Keep it breathing. Again, warming that body up. Alright, so again, shoulders are warming up, legs are stretching out, okay? Nice and easy. Bring it on back. We're going to go into a mountain climber hold. Left knee is coming in. Right there to the chest. We hold right here, okay? Keep it breathing. Alright, abs are engaged, back is flat. Again, shoulders are working, arms are strong. Switch sides, other knees coming in. Alright, again, back is flat, core is engaged, abs are working, keeping that foot up. A few more seconds. Alright, then we're gonna bring it on down. Right here into a low plank. Okay, we're going into some side planks. You make an equal sign with those hands, with those arms. Opening up one side. Other side. Alright, so again, you can drop it to a knee if you need to, okay? Modify if you need to. Alright. Reach that hand all the way up. Make sure shoulders over shoulder, hip goes over hip. Alright, nice and easy. One more time, each side. Alright, then we bring it back down. Low plank, we're gonna get that heart rate going here. We're gonna jack those feet out right here. Nice and easy. Back is flat. Lower impact if you need it, okay? You can do one foot at a time. That's okay as well. Alright, or both feet. Alright, warm that body up, get the breathing going. 5 more seconds. And relax, everybody. Great job. Thank you for joining for that 2-minute warm-up. Alright, if you need a little bit more workout, alright, check out my workout videos, okay? I got strength videos. I got some HIIT videos, but again, do what you can. Again, work hard, push that body, commit to the workout, whatever it is, okay? Stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.